In primetime news this evening, impeached again, Donald Trump becomes the first U.S. president charged twice by Congress. Curfew lifted, police give more freedom to movement in Trenchtown, the citizens worry. And we need more time, JSIF pleads for added time for Zozo measures to be effective.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What concerns, if any, do you have about the NIDS bill?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.